Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome aboard, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today I am doing my first human hair unit on this channel and I'm so excited to tell you all the details about it. But if you like wig reviews and if you love wig tutorials and you like to see how units look before purchasing, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you get reminders every time I post a video.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So I got this unit from ISHOW Hair and it is the shortcut bob, and I got it in the Brazilian curly version hair and I got it in the 12 inches. Honestly, this does not look like 12 inches. It looks more like 10. Honestly, I really wish these websites would say 12 inches with the curl pattern, because it's 12 inches if I pull it down, but you know, I didn't buy it to straighten. So other than that, it's cute. I really like this unit, and this is definitely some vacation hair, so you know I had to make it work for you guys as part of my vacation series. But I got it in the color natural black, and it is a 13 by 4 inch lace front wig. It does have a little bit of lace back hair as well, you know, if you want to wear it up, but it's so short I can't, so And as you guys saw earlier, it is ear to ear. There are two combs in the middle, one comb in the back, and adjustable straps back there as well. So the starting price for this unit was $68 and I paid $87. It does go up with the length, but the longest that this short bob comes in is a 14 inch and I got a 12. So let's talk about the packaging a little bit. The packaging for this unit was kind of like trash. I've seen other YouTubers review units from this company and the packaging was honestly pretty trash. It was packaged in a regular USPS plastic envelope, Ziploc bag with like a purple little string bag around it as well. And it came with a wig cap. I've seen other people with like nice boxes. The packaging was really nice. And it came with like lashes and other goodies. I didn't get all that. I just got a wig cap and that was it. So I don't know what that was about. I don't know if it's because it's a short bob wig and they don't want to give their boxes out, or because they don't know that I am a YouTuber. I don't know. So the unit did not have a smell. I did wash it, you know, immediately, and I tried it on and played around with it. I think the only thing that I should have done honestly was bleach the knots, but I'm new to the whole human hair wig thing. Like, I don't really know what I'm doing. I would prefer a glueless wig if possible, but you know, I did struggle a little with the color. I bought some tint spray. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. The lace is like a nice brown color, but I do think that the knots needed to be bleached. So for this to be my first unit, I think I did pretty good, you know. I used my blasting spray. I also used the Got To Be Glue gel. Put one layer of that on, blow dried it a little bit so it was tacky, and then I sprayed the blasting spray, blow dried it just a tad, and then I put the unit on and I just held it down. It does melt better when you're holding it down section by section with the comb, so I was able to do that. And I went in with my matte concealer and a little brush, and I just went in and I did take my powder and I just pressed it a little bit here so it could do a better job in blending. But other than that, that was it. I just wet the hair, it curls up immediately. I love, love, love that about the unit. Like, I don't have to do much. I wet it and it stays curled. It's soft. It didn't dry up on me. You know, like the curls were staying intact. I had grabbed this mousse from Target. It has a light hold, so it doesn't feel like sticky or anything, but I am absolutely in love with this unit. It's so cute. So let me ask you guys something. When you wear these type of wigs, do you glue this stuff down every day? Like, what do you do when you have a wig like this? Do you only bring it out for special occasions? Because I'm a synthetic wig wearer, you know, going to work every day, I just plop it on and plop it off. But when you have a wig like this, how do you wear it every day? Let me know in the comments below, like, are you putting glue on every day? Do you sleep with it on? You know, with the weather and everything out here, it's a little hot, so I'm not trying to wear this every day, but I'm just curious to know what people do. But I am loving this. It's some vacation hair. So cute. Oh, I love this. Like, I would have never chosen a short bob like this. Again, I thought it was like 12 inches, and 12 inches comes down to my collarbone. So, you know, but this is cute. I do like it a lot. And their shipping came within like a couple days. I'm in Jersey, so I ordered it on a Friday and it came to me by Monday. So I was very, very pleased with that. This unit also came pre-plucked. It actually had a middle part, but I didn't feel like a middle part would look right on me with the length. So I did create my own part over here with the lace. I did pluck it a little bit more, and I did give myself a little bit of baby hairs. I didn't go all the way around because, you know, we still learning. Still trying to figure it out. So this is what I could do now, but I'm glad that this unit was so cheap that I can play around with it, you know, if and when I really would like to, possibly maybe even bleach the knots. So in the future, I know what I'm doing correctly. But yeah, so $80-something for this was not bad at all. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I hope you guys are still staying safe out there. I hope you're having a great beginning of your summer. You know, this year has just been such like a weird year, but you know, I'm staying prayed up, staying faithful to God, and just trying to stay positive. So let me know how you guys are doing, and let me know what you think about this unit in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time.